Hey guys, I have to repair the fuel line, so I'm gonna do a teardown of my diesel engine. These are the tools I use. Phillips head screwdriver, flathead, RC wrench, little imbus, or Allen key, how you Yankees call it. The glow head is already off. Another flathead screwdriver and some paratongs, how you call it. I don't have a stand for the camera, so we have to do it with this. If this is really boring, I'm gonna speed it up. Well, it's disassembling an engine. Maybe it's not the engine who's boring, but I'm boring. The fuel tank. Probably it has some fuel in it, almost nothing, but it's aside now. The next part I have to take off is the generator itself. So I'm gonna loosen the screws. Loosen the strap. And slide it back. Now to release the flywheel, I take the hexagon and I turn it backwards. It's better than I remembered. There we go. To release the flywheel from its turning place, I have to turn the wire end out and then pull it off. This is the flywheel, by the way. It's a Conrad pusher pressed inside a, well, steel ring. It's not perfect, but it works. And now to remove the engine, I'm gonna use the Phillips head. And I'm gonna clamp the little bolts. Everything is metric, so nothing, almost nothing fits exactly. And now for the bottom screws. Those are weird because they're round. I made them round because the normal hexagon nuts won't fit there. Now it's off. I have two little copper spacers. Those align the engine so it's all good and nice and straight. And now it's disassembled. I had to make a custom backplate because the fuel line had to go through the backplate, and that, well, the backplates stopped it from doing it. Apparently my fuel line isn't ripped or broken, so there's another problem. As you can hear, there's also a lot of play, so I'm gonna disassemble the whole engine and look what's the problem. Don't lose the screws. Don't break the seal. When I got this engine, there were 2 metal discs. I had to turn the needle 8 times before it would even run. I found this out yesterday. I removed 1 disc and now it's running a lot better. The retainer, and here's the crankcase with a lot of compression. Had to pick up a few cox wrenches. The disc that makes the compression I hate this part so very much. The piston and the cylinder has a little play, so I'm gonna tighten that a little. The exhaust manifold, it's so tightly on there it's hard to remove. And the crankcase, which feels lovely, a little bit tight, but it feels lovely. I'm gonna clean it all and I'm gonna do a speed up of putting it back together. In the last run it stopped working because I didn't get any fuel anymore. I just found out the problem. There was something stuck inside the venturi or the needle assembly. So, well, it's unclogged now. I'm gonna flush it out and let's see if it happens again. Hey guys, I hope you can see it, but there's, darn, again, I hope you can see it. There's a little tear starting to form in my Teflon disc. I have to replace this really soon. Hey guys, the sound I heard when I was trying to start the engine and it's ticked a little is this. I hope you can hear it. It has a little play on it. So I'm gonna use this for the first time and tighten it up a little. Not much, but a little. Of course not on my wood table, but on the floor in the garage. Later. I still love how amazingly simple the diesel heads fit together. You have a counter piston, the holder and a screw. That's all. Okay, now I'm gonna put it all back together and I hope that I film the right part of the table. This will be a speed up. Time lapse speed up. Well, that's what you wanna call it. There we go. Cool. Tight. 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 Screw the back end. Drop the screws in there. Tightening them. Yellow. Cut. Cut. Hello, I don't know how much footage I lost. I just saw that my camera was off. If it's a lot, then I will just play back the original in reverse. Another wrench drops on the floor. and it's done.